Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add payments on Messenger. So all you have to do now is open the settings from your Messenger app. You can scroll down and see this is the service. You can tap payments. So if you order something on Facebook, you can use these payments and tap on add new payment method here. You can add debit card and fill the card number, month, year, and security card here, and save. And your payment method is securely saved for the next time you use MetaPay. And also you can add a security here, control your security preferences for MetaPay. You can use PIN to confirm payments and use biometric data instead of PIN. So if there is anything to confuse you, or there is anything mess up with your payment, you can go to the help center. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.